It was the Easter holidays on the island of Sodor. The engines were bringing holidaymakers from the harbour to the big station. The children love this time of the year when they have the Easter egg hunt event at the big station. One day, the Fat Controller came to see Lady. He had important news. The important cargo for the Easter egg hunt event has just arrived at the harbour. I need you to collect them immediately. Yes, sir, said Lady, and then Lady puffed away. Lady was puffing along towards the harbour. She was imagining herself pulling in the important cargo, and all the children would cheer whenever they saw her. How splendid she would be. Lady finally reached to the harbour. The important cargo was loading into her flatbeds. The Fat Controller had warned Lady to be very careful near the important cargo, but Lady was too excited to listen. Beep, beep! Hurry up, please, she called. She became so careless that she bumped her flatbeds. Then there was trouble. The cargo boxes fell off her flatbeds. Cranky the Crane gasped. A man who didn't see or hear what had happened had accidentally tripped over the important cargo, then went flying right into the air. Oh, groaned Lady. Eggshells and boxes went everywhere. The yard manager was very cross. You have caused confusion and delay, he said. I shall have to report this to the Fat Controller. That evening, the Fat Controller spoke severely to Lady. I am very disappointed in you, Lady, he said. Your careless behaviour towards the important cargo has caused confusion and delay, and at this rate, the children will not be able to have their Easter egg hunt event this year. Sorry, sir, said Lady. I didn't mean to cause all this mess. Nevertheless, said the Fat Controller, you will shunt trucks in the yard until I can get to the bottom of this. Okay, Donald burst out. I can manage the important cargo without causing any harm. Then you will do Lady's work until she returns. Yes, sir, said Donald. The next morning, Donald went to the harbour. He backed up towards the important cargo, and then he puffed away. Donald was hurrying towards back to the big station. He puffed so hard that suddenly he completely ran out of water. Bother! Cried Donald. Donald's driver went to telephone for help. The Fat Controller was enjoying afternoon tea when he heard the news. Donald has broken down, he cried. I'll send Lady to rescue him. Lady was busy shunting when a man appeared with important news. Donald has broken down. He's run out of water. If the important cargo doesn't get to the big station on time, the children will be disappointed. We must rescue him, said Lady, and Lady hurried away. Lady backed up towards Donald. They were soon coupled up and Lady hurried away. They arrived back at the big station just in time, and all the children cheered whenever they saw the important cargo. Now the children can have the Easter egg hunt event, said Lady. A few days later, the Fat Controller came to see Lady. Well done, he said. The Easter egg hunt was a great success. You really are a useful engine. Thank you, sir, said Lady proudly. Lady had learnt a lesson to be very careful near the important cargo, but he couldn't have done it without Donald.